Hello everybody and welcome back to what is now episode 5 of the Slime Rancher series. Where we left off last time, Rock Largo blew up, didn't drop a key, so we're not going to the jungle. But I do have some saved up money from everything running so smoothly, so what I can do is Pulse Wave. Oh, I know what that is. Is buy a few jetpack upgrades. Or not. Oh, you only buy one. No. Buy a few. Doesn't look like it took it, but okay. No, I had 600. Oh, I don't have enough. I have a jetpack now. That should be enough to get over the gap. So, yeah, I guess it's off to, we'll stop by the Tabby. Gordo. We'll go feed that. And then we'll go to the Indigo Quarry, and that's how we'll spend this episode. Hopefully we can find a Gordo that's not sitting on a teleport pad, and that will definitely give us a key. I'm collecting veggies because I'm thinking like the next one's probably going to be like a boom, which eats veggies. No, booms eat meat. Oh, well. So you know what, maybe we won't start by the Tabby. We'll see what the next Gordo we find is. Because I don't want to risk feeding the Tabby and then finding out that one didn't give me a key either, and then I'm really behind the game. Like, I'm trying to do this as efficiently as possible and keep things interesting and try and keep it from being too long of a series, so, yeah. Hello, carrots. It's nice to have jump jets. Oh, hello, you guys are still here. Oh, the pink one came from a crate, that's right. Ooh, I wonder. Recharge, recharge. Come on, recharge. Can I? No. It doesn't hover that high up. But maybe I can slip up there. Come on. You got boost power. Parkour! We did it! Yay! And the triumphant music to aid us. Where this? No, but actually, where this? Roosto, that's important. That's just the quality of the... It's over here. Oh. Oh, you're feral. Never mind. So is this... Yeah, it is. That's back that way. But I don't think I have enough energy to fly over to that one. What a... Oh, Oka Oka. Oh, someone ate the rooster, didn't they? Maybe I'll grow Oka Oka. Spuds. I like spuds. Potatoes are my friend. Like, potatoes are awesome. Oh, rads. So apparently I'm supposed to go this way? What this? Is there anything down here? No. Oh, I can't get back up. I suck. Oh, more Oka Oka. Ow. What? Don't do that to me. Ooh! I saw that when it was really early stages. Still remember, it looks... A teleport, that's just gonna lead me back home. That doesn't help. I need a Gordo. I can't fly over there. I know I can't. Oh, sweet Nelly. I need to find another key. That's gonna really suck if they don't allow you to get all the doors. That can't be, because if you can only get one key, then how would you ever... I mean, the quarry has one. That... I'm sorry, the small quarry has one. There's one to the indigo quarry. Did I not get my muns? That was... I can't fathom. We explored the whole of the quarry now, and we're still left at a dead end. That's like... really annoying. I really just chose the wrong place to get a key. Sorry about this, guys. I don't know what to do about it. I guess we go visit the Tabby now and try and figure something out. I'm racking my brain trying to figure out what to do. Clear this. Yeah, there's that door over there. So what am I supposed to do about that? Just not go in there ever? Like, before these areas weren't finished, so I could at least understand it. But now, I really kind of can't. Because you've polished your game up. And they don't respawn, so I can't get another key from the pink guy. So that's where the quarry is over there. And I don't think I can find a way to hop myself over the wall. Unless I could cheat it. That's... We did it, guys! We got another key! We were able to get to the jungle! I am... So I've broken the game. Apparently, I've just totally broken the game. Cool. I've cheated the system. This does look similar to how it looked before, but they've definitely done work. Stuck on the geometry again. Another puddle slimes, but we're not here for puddle slimes since we've been able to break our way into here. Oh, that's how you're supposed to do it. That's how you get out, because before you had to use jets kind of to get out of here, which is why I was worried about not having jets for this place, but a fear that I never mentioned to you. I can notice some of this stuff is similar. But overall, definitely looks very different from what it used to look like. I'm keeping this. This is mine. And it looks like we'll be starting a new cage when we get back. Here's something else I wanted to try and find. Because I can change over. Trying to explore all this is nuts. I'm not sure where I have and have not been. So... What? Oh. They turn invisible! It just turned night, yes? Yes. Uh-huh! You! I was looking for you! And here I'm familiar with. This I remember. So I don't want to be over here. I want to try and explore what's new, because what's new should be dead ends. Oh, stuck on the thing again. No! Damn it. So we completely cheated over the door. Closed out at least part of the map because that leads to a teleport. Hello, Boostro. We got some honey slimes, which are by far one of my favorites. We got the hunter slime. So now with the hunter kitty and everything else, I want to stay like above because those are ferals. This is familiar too. Ow. I am not on the menu. Thank you. Ow. Get away from me. So I don't think I'm gonna lose the, you know, this is familiar. Yeah, this is where it ended before the update. And they've gotten rid of a door, apparently. Because there used to be a door there. So we haven't explored everything yet because I don't think I went the other way. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm going to make honey hunter largos, so I still don't need meat. I can give them fruit. And then I'll make hunter tabby largos later on when I have more meat to work with. And then I'll make tabby honey. So I can no, I still use predominantly fruit. Oh, that's right, but I was gonna switch to veg. Because once you stop using pink slimes, it gets a lot difficult. Have I gone this way? Is this the way that I said started looking familiar? Yes, it very much is. And yes, it very much is familiar. Because that tree used to produce mint mangoes really high up. Which I don't know. We found one. We found a non-teleport Gordo. So now I know where I can get my at least another key from. So that's good. And we're maybe about, I don't know what the rate is on this. Another 10 minutes maybe? Or another 5 or so? Before it turns today and I have to start episode 6? There's more over there, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to it. I'll make it. Yeah, I made it. I don't know what's over there. Boom, tabby logo. Hello. This is completely new to me. Wait, what are you? Oh, you're just another tabby. So we found our next money, next key largo, which is good. You're mine. This is really good. I'm just trying to figure out how I go about this. Okay, so we're over here. Where we saw the distance back when first. And this is a kind of, I guess you could call this a jumping puzzle. I mean, not really. How are we now? Don't stop me now. Don't stop me. 'Cause I'm having a good time. Where am I? I'm lost. I'm really lost. Let's pogo. So we got 2 hunter slimes, which is the new slime I wanted to say. Oh no. And then we're back here. So, because we can get here without a key, I'm gonna say the next key we get we should use on the small quarry? Maybe? Jets really do break the game, but it's ow, okay. Because how else would we have gotten there? And this is not cheating. I used the game, and I guess you could call it an exploit, but there's no other Gordo with me. So it's like, how would I have possibly gotten that door open? Because the tabby, I'm absolutely sure, does not give you one because it's sitting on a teleport pad. So by the time we get back, I'll have to stop this and I'll have to start up the next episode, which is episode 6. And then I'll be fine. I hope. Probably should start up another garden. Alright, so I'll stop this one a little bit early. Not much, but a little bit. And then I think I'll toss a heartbeat in there on the next episode. I'll get to... They're actually almost out of food, so it'll be a very good thing that I toss these veggies in there. Get the next corral set up. Get the honey slimes. Start feeding them fruit, because there's plenty of pogo fruit around. I could subsist off that, but I'd rather grow cube fruit. So, I'll do that. Well, anyway, thank you guys for taking the time to watch my videos. I do appreciate it a lot. And, as always, I hope you will be there with me for the next one. And I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Bye-bye.